Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is another new review of new sneakers here, and this is for Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and this is the laser orange. So you can look at the shoes about this color. You can look on the upper with the dark blue, white, and orange colors. For the material on the Nike shoes is the patent leather, it's the smooth one, and the white part is the temple leather, it's the soft one. And for the orange color is the suede material. For all material on the shoes is very good. And about the midsole is the white color. And about the front, you can look here, this is the temple leather with the hose, and the surface got an orange suede, and on the shoe arm got the white shoelace, and on the top got Nike SB. This is the bottom, is the transparent pink one. In the middle got Nike SB. And the inner side so got the same Nike shoes, and the orange suede and the white temple leather. For the material and workmanship, both are very good. And on the inside, the back side of the shoe arm got the test, and got the orange shoe part Nike SB June Air. And for this color is the dark. This should be purple color, not the dark blue. Both colors are very similar, so you can look. And check another one. It's the same. Got another actual shoe last year. Very good. But the back side got the Nike on the embroidery on the top, and finally you can check out the shoe base. This is the shoe base of Nike SB Dunk, and for Nike SB Dunk styles, there are so many colors on everything. So please check there to pick up the color you want. Any more questions, please contact with my contact way. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.